Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel Pulikachal. This is a traditional method of Pulikachal. This preparation will take minimum 1 hour of time. Let's see it. Take one big lemon sized tamarind and soak it in water for minimum 10 minutes. In a dry pan, add 2 spoons of coriander seeds. This powder, whatever we are making, is for single use. Add 1 spoon of chana dal. One spoon of urad dal. Add 1 spoon of pepper. Add quarter spoon of sesame seeds. Add 7 dry curry leaves. I dried it in microwave. This will take only 30 seconds. 8 fenugreek seeds. Add 10 red chilies. Keep the flame in medium and then roast it until it turns light brown. If you put these ingredients grounded, then you will get a thick pulikachal. After 2 minutes of roasting, it turns light brown. Just add 4 pinch of hing, cool it down and grind it in a mixie. In a pan, add quarter cup of oil. I am taking sesame oil, which will be good for pulikachal. We have to heat this oil and then add 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Wait until it splatters. Add 1 spoon of urad dal. 1 spoon of chana dal. Add 25 peanuts. Add 8 fresh curry leaves. Add 4 red chilies. Add 4 pinch of hing and roast it for minimum 1 minute or it turns light brown. These dals will give a crunchy taste and peanut is good in protein. Add about half liter of extracted tamarind water and bring it to boil. Add quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 spoon of salt. Mix all these ingredients very well. Close with the lid and cook it for minimum 5 minutes. Once the raw smell of tamarind is gone, just add the grounded powder to this. I added all the grounded powder. Mix this very well to avoid lumps. It will take minimum 1 minute for you to stir and then mix it. Again close with the lid and then cook it for minimum 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of boiling, take out the lid and then add quarter cup of sesame oil and mix it very well. Actually this is in thin consistency, but we have to boil to get a thick consistency. Again close with the lid and cook it for another 15 minutes. Now you could see the bubbles on top of it. This is the perfect consistency for pulikachal. Now it is in very thick consistency. Just lower the flame, again close the lid and cook it for just 2 minutes. Now you could see oil separates out and also you will get a nice aroma. Now our traditional pulikachal is ready. Just we need to mix with rice. Enough oil is added, no need to add oil in the rice. Transfer the pulikachal to a glass bowl or a jar and keep it in fridge for minimum 20 days. Whenever you need it, mix it with rice and have it. This pulikachal definitely useful for your travel and also for your office. Try this recipe and leave your comments. Thank you.